You are not wearing those on our date.
Yes, I am.
No.
Do you not like them?
I'm not being seen in public with you with those ears.
They're real. I became a bunny overnight.
Oh my god, just drive me.
Why am I driving? You hate how I drive. Everyone hates how I drive. Date time. Thanks, Chuuya.
You're welcome.
I thought we weren't dating though.
We're not.
Okay. No, I kind of want to die right now.
That's very fitting for you.
It's really busy. I don't like this.
What would you do if you worked at a restaurant and we showed up?
I'd leave. I quit.
How many?
2. Preferably a booth. This is all for you, love muffins.
Thanks.
Are you happy?
I'm so scared.
They have crab. Do they have milkshakes? Crab and crab milkshakes. Do they have the dinner for 2 thing? Actually, yeah, I want the most expensive thing on the menu.
You want to see what I can do? Come on, give me a minute.
I know you can do that. You did that last night.
Wait. I broke it. Hold on.
That didn't happen.
We're in public.
You can take a wrapper off a straw?
No, I can't.
Like, is this what you're showing?
Oh no. Trust the process.
Should I get wine?
Okay. Oh, my straw's all messed up.
Yeah, you beat the shit out of it.
Wait, nothing came out.
What are you doing?
It's a worm. It's a growing worm.
Hey, can you come back? I need to order
This
medicine.
might go better if you're drunk.
That's how all of our dates start.
Are we ready to order over here? Do we need a minute still? Or are we thinking about drinks?
I would actually like a drink.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Safe steps anal training.
Oh, anal training.
I'm over here looking like a total snack, and he's on the phone. Rude.
So,
I was talking to Atsushi. I'm sorry. He needed me. The fuck did that little cat need? Little cat? He's a big cat. He's cutie. He needed help figuring out how to ask out Akagawa.
oh,
Yeah, Akagawa's always asking me stuff. I told him all he has to do is try and kill him. Like, that's how it worked for me. You can eat the top and then the bottom? Who eats a roll like that? You're the one that is dating me. We're not dating. Why are we on a date? That's semantics.
you can really have a sip. Let me hold it like fancy wine people do. This is how you hold it. You're gonna swirl. Did I do it right?
Sure.
I don't know. We need to do something special for our anniversary. We have to make up our anniversary first. Are we gonna do a sex tape? Uh-huh.
My birthday's coming up.
Really?
Did you forget?
I thought it was September 21st. Do you remember my birthday?
Your birthday is 51 days after my birthday.
It is.
It's June 21st. 20th? 19th.
Yeah.
June 19th.
Good job. Chuuya doesn't let me have knives at the house, so I don't really know how to use one.
He's not allowed to use knives since the last time.
The last time. That was fun.
Is it over here?
I think we're full.
You think? Yes, you don't have to get, dessert with her. You can eat your own dessert. Just because she doesn't want to eat, you don't have to. You know what I'm saying? It's like, you be your own independent person.
You can be an independent person.
That sounds pretty good too.
So you're denying the good times.
Oh God, no, the responsibility and weight is on my shoulders. I'll leave it up to you, my love.
Can we get it to go?
Of course we do. We're not forcing you that right here. Like, say make sure you get every single bite,
Well, I guess I'll take brownie bites to go then.
Alright. You think this is what we do for fun? This
That's
is
not
what we
wrong.
do for fun.
Like, that is true.
You took me to an arcade?
Yeah!
It's like when we were young.
Exactly! We gotta reminisce on the old days.
Yeah.
This is for you. This for me? This is for you,
Okay,
Chuuya.
okay, I hope you win.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you gonna get an orange one?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm trying again. You need to win me something. I'm trying. Oh
my god, I want the duck.
Let me win you the duck design.
You can try.
I don't got this. I don't get this. One more time. Okay, okay. You gotta fucking go. Chuuya, I suck at these.
Where's my card at? Are you kidding me? I don't know. Where did I put it? It's right there. Oh my god. Oh god. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm supposed to do. The triggers on my back. Ah!
I died.
We died! Yay! Is that a double suicide? Aww. So cute.
It's easy. Welcome to rhythm. Calculating.
Alright, let's see how many I
That's easy. That's what I thought.
See, I told you I could get more than you.
Let's count your winnings. Try it again.
Wow! The mission isn't over yet, guys. A warning! I think we're gonna die. I think he's purposely trying to kill me. Yeah.
Did you see that, Chuuya? You have to be aiming at it. I am.
Mission here. Try that one. Try the donkey.
Donkey Kong! Come on, Donkey Kong.
You won me a Donkey Kong!
I got you Donkey Kong. Look, I got him for you.
I always wanted a Donkey Kong! It's a giant dice!
you good?
I just noticed you did crab rave.
You didn't notice that, that's why I flipped it. Crab rave. High five. High five.
Oh, I got a B, and you got a C for Chuuya. Oh yeah. That's Chuuya. That's Dazai.
That is the fun part. You'll have 4
Fun part.
pose.
What's the
So
fun
have
part?
fun.
Is it gonna give me wine?
No, it's
Get
gonna,
ready.
that little like dildo's gonna pop out. And then you have to
Oh my god, not him again.
2, 1. Three, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1.
This is the worst video.
What do we do? What do we do?
2, 1.
Can't you carry me?
No.
I thought I was a princess.
We're just eating the brownies and I'm taking your ass home.
I thought you loved me.
I don't know what gave you that idea.
You're never gonna dance again. And you still see your feet and it's got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend. I know I'm not a fool. I should know better than to cheat a friend. The wasted chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you. This is Dazai Osamu's vlog number 1. This is my sidekick and the owner of this phone, and we are going to Legoland. Come along with us. Sidekick? Yeah. I am not your sidekick. I think you are.
Dazai,
Yes.
I think we're dating.